Two seats up for grabs on Michigan's Supreme Court, with 7 candidates hoping for a victory on Tuesday.
Tonight, Fox 17's Ryan Cummings profiles Brock Swartzle.
We need to first and foremost stand up for our Constitution.
Brock Swartzle is one of 7 people hoping to fill 2 justice seats on Michigan's Supreme Court. He says if elected, he'll make sure that our state leaders follow the law.
The court should defer to the legislature in terms of it's the body that passes laws. And the court should not be in the business of enacting its own laws. That's for the legislature. If the legislature were to enact a law that violated the Constitution, then we should strike that law down.
The race is nonpartisan, but candidates are endorsed. The Republican Party is backing him for one of the seats, and his website says that he also has the endorsement of several agencies, including the Michigan Fraternal Order of Police, Michigan Manufacturers Association, and the state's Small Business Association. He says the attack ads that are out there are mostly ineffective and backed by half-truths.
Position. I just asked voters. We all have websites. We all have our information out there. Spend a few minutes and do your own research rather than relying on some attack ad by some outside group.
Swartzle is a judge for Michigan's 4th District Court of Appeals. He previously served as chief of staff for Michigan's Speaker of the House. When it comes to the U.S. Supreme Court and the fast push through Amy Coney Barrett,
I think it's fair game to play within the rules. And as long as you're playing within the rules, that's the system we have set up. I do have a problem when there are threats to start changing the rules simply because one side or the other, seemingly lost.
As for the changes he'd advocate for in our judicial system, Swartzle says he wants a court that rules without fear or favor.
And that focuses strictly on the facts and the law before it and is able to set aside partisanship. And that's the kind of judge I've been on the Michigan Court of Appeals, and that's the kind of justice I would be on the Michigan Supreme Court. And my vision for the court is simply that.
For Fox 17 News, I'm Ryan Cummings.